how to upload photos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how we can upload those sliding photos on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and make sure to log in to your account. Now at the bottom row you can see a big plus sign. Tap on it. On the next screen you can see a big white circle at the bottom. Beside that there will be photos. Tap on it and you will see all the photos from your gallery. Select the photos that you want to upload on TikTok and hit next. There you'll have the option to add text or even change the music. In order to change the music, tap on the top button where there is already music added and select the choice of music that you want to upload and hit next again. Here you can upload a catchy title or a longer form of caption, tag people, add mentions, and complete your post. And hit post. Now your photos are uploaded to TikTok with your desired choice of music. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.